Hello everyone, Suresh KP from myinvestmentedge.com. Today we are going to discuss about rule of 72, which is also called thumb rule 72. This actually rule of 72 is to check how fast you can double your investment. So let us check about this rule of 72 or thumb rule of 72. So if you want to know in how many years you want your investment will get doubled, or you might even wanted to know which is a good investment option to choose to double your money within a specific time frame. So here is where this rule of 72 or thumb rule of 72 is going to help us. Let's talk about the definition of rule of 72. There are two-way usage of this formula. One, you can check the tenure to double your investment, which is in simple 72 divided by the percentage of returns, how much you're going to get it. And second is the returns which are required to double your investment. This is also again 72 divided by the tenure. Okay. So when I say returns could be anything like how much interest you're going to get it, how much stock returns you may expect, or how much analyzed returns from mutual fund or any other investment you might be getting it. Now let us check about how this rule of 72 is going to help us in arriving the time taken to double your investment. So assume if the returns are 9%, then simply divide 72 divided by 9, which is 8. Means it will take 8 years for your investment to get doubled at 9% returns. Let us check about some more examples. Example, there is a X bank that is offering 6% FD interest. Means as per rule of 72, it says 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12 years. Means it's going to take 12 years for it to double your investment. Let us talk about a second example. A mutual fund scheme might be giving 12% annualized returns. Means as per rule 72, divide 72 divided by 12 is equal to 6 years. Means if you are investing in this mutual fund, it will take 6 years to double your investment. Now let us take any blue chip stock or any other small cap, mid cap stock that might be giving 24% annualized returns. Means the rule of 72 says 72 divided by 24 is equal to 3 years. Means your investment will get doubled in 3 years time frame. So this is how you can check how much time it's going to take to double your investment. Now let us talk about the second way of second usage of rule of 72, where exactly we can invest. For example, the formula is again 72 divided by 10 year of investment. So example, let me give few examples, right? So you want to double your investment in 6 years. So the rule of 72, if you see 72 divided by 6, which means 12% returns, means you need to invest in an investment option that can generate 12% returns for you to double your money in 6 years. Same way, if you want to double your money in 10 years, 72 divided by 10 means 7.2% returns. Same way, if you want to double your investment in 12 years, then you require 6%. This way you would know in which investment option you can choose to invest. Now, rule of 72, is this accurate? No, this is not 100% accurate. There are slight variances if you are going to compute based on the actual basis, either in the first usage or based on the second usage. But don't worry about that, because this will give an approximate time frame by which your money is going to get doubled. Now, how to use this efficiently? So first you need to understand the purpose, right? Is it like you want to just check how long it's going to take for your investment to get doubled, or whether you have to achieve a financial goal within a deadline? And again, there is a risk appetite that also plays a role in choosing the option. Let us take the two-way approach, right? The first approach is, example, you want to invest money for a financial goal, say example, your child education, and you want to double your money in 10 years. Means the rule of 72 says 72 divided by 10 means you need to get 7.2% annualized returns. So where you can get the 7.2% annualized returns? Means you can go and invest in a example, there are some of the banks that's providing 7.2% interest rate, and even in long-term debt mutual fund they can provide 7 to 8% returns. So these are few of the examples where you can easily achieve your goal. And if we can take the other way also, right? Example, you want to double your money in 6 years, then as per rule of 72, you need 12% annualized returns. So example, if you are a high risk investor or you are a moderate risk investor, so you can invest in a, say example, large cap mutual funds or a balanced mutual fund. So these funds can will be able to help you to achieve your goal within the deadline. So example, you are a low risk investor. There is no way you can achieve this goal within 6 years. So what you need to do, you need to increase your tenure to example 8 years, 10 years. So this is how you can use rule of 72 or thumb rule of 72. If you have any query, you can leave a comment below, or you can send an email to me, suresh@myinvestmentidea.com. Thank you.